Hola Marias, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you today's video because I just turned this black doll hair of Ate Marceline into this amazing glory of rose gold color. So if you want to know how I did this hair transformation, then please keep on watching. Let me introduce to you my model for today. This is Ate Marceline. She is my hair and makeup assistant and as well as my photographer, videographer. And when it comes to vlogging and also events, she's the one who is beside me all the time. So since it's her birthday, I'm going to give her a hair transformation and turn this dull black hair into a crowning glory. So before we begin, let's go through all of the things that we will be needing. We will be needing the hair color and the oxidant. So I have here the one from Ashley Shine Bio Organic Hair Color Cream, and that's in the shade 8BV, as well as the same brand of oxidant on 12%, as well as a pair of gloves, a mixing bowl, the brush applicator, and the ear protector. I got all these from one shop, and I will be putting the link to their shop on the description box below. So here I'm just showing you how I'm going to mix the hair color as well as the oxidant. And be reminded, the color that we used initially is actually 8BV and the oxidant on 12%. So you just need to prick the tube of hair color using the reverse end of the cover or the lid, and then just pour equal parts of the hair color as well as the oxidant. So because we are just applying half of the tube color as well as the oxidant, I'm just mixing half and half and test it if it's good enough for the short hair of Ate Marceline. And if we need more, we'll definitely just mix the same amount later on. Here, I just asked Ate Marceline to wet her hair or rinse her hair with shampoo because it's quite oily and greasy, and I want to make sure that the color will be absorbed properly. Then the next step is to section. Well, basically, it's all included on the instruction. All you have to do is to section your hair, usually into 4, to allow the color to be applied easily and as well as to make it even. So I'm basically just keeping half of the hair, or actually 2/3 of the hair up, and then apply on the lower 1/3 and do it on the second half or the second third, and as well as working your way up to the top of the head and as well as the fringe. And now once you are done with one half or one side of the head, just go ahead and do the same thing on the other side of your head. Now that we are done applying the color onto the entire head of hair, I am just covering it up with this makeshift hair cap or head cap, and I'm just making sure that it is in place so that the color will not go all over the place whenever she's doing something else, because you have to let it sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, or it depends on how strong the color you want it to be on your hair. But you have to make sure every now and then to check it so that you know if the color is already adapted on the hair or not. Now, since we thought we actually achieved the hair color that we wanted, we decided to just rinse it and then check it under the natural lighting if we achieve the color that we wanted. So this is how it looks like in natural lighting. Maganda siya, as in, kaso parang hindi siya, para siyang, harap ka nga, para siyang nagmukhang parang dry yung skin niya. Parang nagmukha siyang maitim. Ayan. So, gagawin natin, dahil papatungan natin ng isa pang kulay, which is yung red-violet. Kasi ito ay blue-violet na nagmukhang copper-brown. Maganda naman. Yun nga lang parang hindi bumagay sa kanya. So, dahan-dahan kang ikot ka, ha? Ayan yung kanyang color. And, papatungan natin. So back to square one, we're just gonna mix again the color and the oxidant, but this time I'm using 8RV, which is the color that I was supposed to use on my own hair. But nonetheless, we want to make sure that she will get to have the nice hair that she always wanted. So that's what I'm doing, just mixing the equal parts of the hair color as well as the oxidant on the mixing bowl, and then mix it properly and then just reapply it on the hair like the same thing we did earlier. Now that we've covered the entire head of hair, we are just going to comb through some parts or bi-layer of the hair to make sure that all the strands are evenly coated, since we have enough amount on our mixing bowl. Alright, so this time we decided to keep the hair color on for about an hour. Don't worry, it's bioorganic, so it's definitely safe. And because we want to make sure that this time we will achieve the fullest potential of this hair color, we decided to leave it on that long period of time. And just like that, we were able to turn her hair from this to this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. And if you like this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also share it to your friends who are looking forward to attempt their first ever DIY color hair treatment. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye!